Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. First of all friend, wish you very happy Diwali to all of you, and this video is very good for the freshers 2022 batch because there are two important updates for the 2022 batch. First update is from KPIT, that is related to second round update, coding round update, and the second update is IBM on campus 2022 batch survey mail. Okay, so in this video we discuss about the complete details of the first and second update, that is from the KPIT and IBM. So let's start the video. Okay, so this type of mail will be sent to candidates like congratulations, you are selected for the next round KPIT hiring drive for BE freshers batch 2022. Okay, so this type of mail will be come to candidates like, dear future automobiler, we are pleased to inform that you are one step closer to making an impact. You have been selected for the next round. The next round is coding round on the 9th November 2021. The test link would be open from 6:30 to 7:15 p.m. The total duration of test would be 3 hours from the time you log into the test. Okay, so the test date is 9th November and the login time is 6:30 to 7:15 p.m. Duration of test is 3 hours. Okay, so in case you get disconnected from the test due to internet connectivity issue, you will get 30 minutes maximum to resume the test by clicking on the same test link. Okay, so one important point that is related to that, I just mentioned in the how to start preparation for KPIT examination. In this there is a day 2 coding round for only for shortlisted candidates. Okay, if you just completed the day 1 round on the 30 October, okay, they just mentioned that there is a day 2 round on the 3 November, but it will be scheduled on 9 November, that is coding round. And after that, if you just clear that, so the shortlisted candidates will be informed about the further process. Okay, so this is the important updates from the KPIT team that is related to next round process, and I am just showing this screenshot for the informational purposes only. Okay, so this is just related to the KPIT second round update, and this video I already updated on the channel, and there are the resources and strategy that how you can crack this exam. Okay, I just mentioned that what is the syllabus of day 2 coding round and resources for all section, what are the KPIT exam rule that is related. Okay, so this is the important update from the KPIT second round, the exam on the 9th November, and if you got the another day schedule, okay, so you can just give the exam on that day. Okay, so the second important update is IBM on campus 2022 batch survey mail. Okay, so this type of mail will be come to candidates like opportunity with IBM. Dear candidate, thank you for your interest in IBM. We are reviewing your application for associate system engineer. With respect to this position, we have a few additional questions. We request you to complete the form by clicking on below mentioned link by 5 p.m. November 8, 2021. Okay, so this type of mail will be come to candidates like, what is the registration process. Okay, this type of mail will be come to candidates for the candidate reference number. Okay, and you have to fill the form before the 5 p.m. November 8, 2021, and there is a link. You have to just go to below link and complete the registration form. Okay, so this type of link will be like that, and after that you have to just sign in this first name, last name, personal email address, preferred phone number, what gender, and what region, how do you hear this opportunity, IBM candidate reference number. For the IBM candidate reference number, you have to just check your previous email from this email ID. Okay, so IBM job ID, highest qualification year of pass out, highest qualification degree, branch, percentage, college name, college state. Okay, do you have any work experience, upload certification, India IBM privacy state and standard, and you have to just submit this form. Okay, so this is the important update from the IBM. Okay, this is the survey mail that is just related to few additional questions. After that they will send you a further process that is related to assessment or any another update. Okay, so this video is very useful. I hope this video is very useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. This video is only for informational purposes. Thanks for watching the video.